welcome back to Travel with Tay Tay. So I've been looking for an aloe vera plant. I have an aloe vera plant in America and a rectangular flower pot. The thing is growing like crazy. I can see on my cameras that it's growing like crazy and I can't get it because I need to make an oil, a conditioner for this mane. So since the dog spoiled the one that was at my compound, I need to get another one so I can make it for my hair. If you all do not know, aloe vera will make your hair grow like crazy. But yes, you can look at, they have all these plants. They have flower pots. I'm getting a long rectangular flower pot or a long rectangular flower pot so I can grow some collard greens because I need some vegetables in my life, y'all. I need some vegetables. But this is so nice. It's on the strip it's on Gambia Highway going towards traffic light, and it's on both sides. But they have plants, they have food, they have aloe vera. You looking at my hair?
Yeah.
Yes, all of this is compliments of aloe vera. So I'm gonna show you something. Every time I go to the hair salon, they think that I cut my hair. But when I got my hair braided, the braids were too heavy and it pulled my hair out. But look at this. It was like this short when I got here. Look at this. Look at that. Y'all don't know. You better get some aloe vera in your life. Thanks for watching. The dogs ate it. Oh, but I put this in my hair. Yes, I need this. So, you all know that the little bastards, yes, that's what I call the dogs. Well, it's the truth because their parents weren't married. But the little bastards, you know they tear up everything, right? So they keep trying to tear up the plants. They want to spoil the plants, spoil the plants, spoil the plants. So we have to get chicken wire to go around the plants. So instead of buying sticks, look at this. The brother just pulled this off. He pulled this off. Look at that. Yeah, I was just telling the brother, that's why the Western world act like they don't, you know, they make it very hard for Africans to come to America, right? Or even go to the UK. You know why? We know that our African brothers and sisters create everything. You see all these beautiful compounds in Africa? Who built it? Not Tubabs, not Caucasians, not Lebanese. These are our African brothers and sisters, our Gambian brothers and sisters building these homes. Pots? Wow. Like the flower pots? The flower pots are made with concrete, and they're making these by hand. We also know that the White House was built by Africans, right? And it took how many years? Well, I can't say that because President Obama was not the first African. We do know that other Caucasian presidents had some African in their blood. Oh, look at the big one. Look at that. Ah, it's a big one. Max and Stella won't be able to tear up stuff now. So, I'm grateful, grateful, grateful that I got a break from them little beauties. They're spending the night out. They're going to have a play date. They've been going for 2 days. I originally said they can be going for good because they were driving me insane, but at least they're going for 2 days. So maybe they'll be going for a week. But they go and mommy can get some work done because all you hear is and then they make the weirdest noises. They be like, I'm like, do you know you're a dog? They sound like lions. They sound like cats. They make the weirdest noises, especially Max. A cashew tree. I'm gonna come out here and I'm gonna come out here and pick my own cashews. Do y'all know how much cashews cost? Cashews, they're in my bag right now. A bag this big is $100. See, that's $2. at a 50 exchange rate, and we always don't get a 50 exchange rate. Bag this big, $2. Bag this wide. So I'm gonna go pick my own cashew, but this is a cashew tree. Y'all know that we are standing in the Garden of Eden, right? Africa is the Garden of Eden. Everybody keep acting like America is the promised land. America is Babylon. That's Sodom and Gomorrah. All these grown men walking around in dresses. Who does that? That's westernized living. That's not African living. But I digress.